Good morning, students. How are you today? I'm very excited to talk about our next lesson in math, which is read bar graphs. Our learning objective for today is to interpret data in bar graphs and use that as information to solve problems. Have a look at this page. Our vocabulary words for today are bar graph. Now, when you hear the word bar, I want to ask you, do you like chocolate? Yes. So how does a chocolate bar look like? So I want you in this entire lesson to think of chocolates when you are learning this lesson. This will help you to learn better. As for graph, here, try to read with me. A bar graph uses bars. Bars is this one. You see these lines? These are called bars. Again, a bar graph uses bars to show data. Look at where the bars end. That is very, very crucial. It starts from here. Why do I say it starts from here? Because you see the number 0. And where does it end? In this case, it ends here at number 6. This tells me how many. Now, I want to quickly remind you once again that the first thing that you will see when you see a graph of any sort is the title, the heading. Who can read for me the title? Very good. It's children playing games. Now, children, in addition to reading the title, always when you see a bar graph or a graph like this, as you go to bigger grades, I want you to also keep your focus on what's written here. This one says the number of children, and this one says outdoor games. Okay, so this one is the title for these sports or these games. So what are they? Basketball, jump rope, soccer, and tag. Number of children means 0 children, which means nobody chose. 1 child, 2 children, like that. Okay, so now how many children chose basketball? Clearly, you will not look at anything else. You will straight away look at basketball, which is in color green, and you will try to count here and see where this ends. And then you will bring your line down there. Okay, so 6 children chose basketball. How many children chose jump rope? 3 children chose jump rope. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, now let's look at this concept here. Who can read the title of the graph for me? Look at this one and read the title. Very good. It's called Marbles in a Bag. Okay, now like I just told you, don't forget to read this and this. Now you see, I want you to focus on the difference. We'll do a little compare and contrast. Here you see the numbers are not placed down like how it was here. So you can place a graph in any style that you want. So this particular graph has the numbers here and these are the colors. All right. So what's the first question? How many green marbles are in the bag? Who can answer that? The moment you see the keyword green, you will look only at green. Do not look at other colors. Okay, I can see green, but how will I find out how many are there? You will see where this ends and you will note down the number. And the answer is 4. I'm very happy you're understanding. I can sense that you are understanding. Let's read the second one. How many more blue marbles than purple marbles are in the bag? I'll repeat the question. How many more blue marbles? So what you will look at? You will look at blue first, than purple marbles. Which is the purple? Purple is here. Are in the bag. How will you find out? It's very simple. I'll show you 2 ways. You will simply subtract. You will see how much is this? 6. How much is this? 3. So 6 minus 3 will give you 3. Or you can do another way. You see purple is here And you just count the empty spots here. 1, 2, 3. Why am I not counting this spot? Because blue is ending here. 1, 2, 3. Is this clear, children? Very good. Let's look at the next one. How many marbles are in the bag? This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. All you need to do is add 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so again, I will tell you a quick and easy way to add this. Always remember to make a 10 if you can. So 6 plus 4 will give you 10. Very good. 10 plus 3 will give you 13. 13 plus 2 will give you 15. That's how you do quick math. So children, I really hope this share and show was easy for you to understand. I'll repeat. The vocabulary word was bar graph. I told you to keep in mind chocolates, a chocolate bar. So imagine there are chocolate bars to show you this graph. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I'm always there to assist you. And I hope the objective that you have to interpret data in bar graphs was clear to all of you. Now, along with this, I will put a post on Edmodo and you will later solve a quiz for me. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Have fun. Stay safe. Keep smiling.